The situation has gotten a little bit worse with all the water that's coming towards the beach due to Storm Harry. Behind me, back over there, even a few of those wooden boardwalks on the side have been sucked into the water last night. But anyways, today's walk will go past Avenida Filipinas. Then we'll go past the Golden Dollar, which is currently being renovated towards the Temple Bar. And as well we're gonna have a look at the abandoned Jokers. Yeah, Jokers closed this year, unfortunate. So we're gonna explore those streets and then we're gonna end up at the Wednesday market. Quite a trip for today. There we got Tiki Beach. Already open. It's just past 11, so quite early still. And even over here, lots of water. But it's dry, it's about 15 degrees today. And even in the back there, we can see some sun already coming through the clouds a little bit. So with 15 degrees today, tomorrow and the day after will be much better. Temperatures will soar up until 18. Yes, people, 18 degrees in winter in January over here. And if you add some sun with it, which will be the case, then it will feel really pleasant. So there we got a new temple bar. Sign is going up already. Work is progressing really fast. The new temple bar where the gold dollar used to be is just next to the Red Lion over here. Opposite of the Brit station. Already opened I believe last year. Quite new still. The famous Benidorm strip. But more people are walking towards the market currently. That is one of the main things happening on Wednesday morning and afternoon as well. And there we've got Jokers. It looks like it just closed yesterday and maybe could open tonight again. It's a shame it has closed. Let me know in the comments. Did you ever visit Jokers? Did you used to go there? Will you miss that place? I myself went quite a few times there, mainly to watch Eminem, who performed over there. Always had a good time over there at Jokers. Love the atmosphere inside and everything. As well, please guys, don't forget, do hit that like button. It really does help promoting the videos out there for me. And do subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of Benidorm. And you would help me a lot by gaining almost 10,000 subscribers. So come on, hit that subscribe, it's for free. Help me out with it. Almost 10,000, woo! And this brings us towards what's next to Jokers. That's the Helios Hotel. Got a pool over there, no one over there currently. Don't know if it's heated, it's on, so could be. Would be awesome for those people next week, as temperatures will go up towards 18 degrees with sun. That's quite alright to have a swim. If the pool is heated then. Big traffic jam over here towards, I believe, Ibiza it is. Always stuck along the market. As always, if you're coming here on Wednesday and you have a car, don't drive past the market. It's always so extremely busy there on Wednesdays and Sundays. Better to avoid that and take the other road. It could easily take up 15 minutes until you get through here.
Yeah. I'll see you in a bit.
As always, winter is the best time to visit this market in the off season. Not that busy, not that high crowds, but all the stalls are here. I believe it's a new version he's playing on that tape. Oh, if you look back there, you can see the clouds hanging above those mountains. Next to the market, there aren't that many bars open. These are both closed. Probably the other one, La Dulce, Vida, the Dutch one, is open. Right around the corner. And they're benefiting from the fact that both are closed. Wow, what a crowd. We're almost at Uncle Pat's and the Riviera Bar. Two other big ones over there. Quite busy up there. The Riviera Bar is right next to it, with the Riviera Hotel, of course. Got the Explorers Club with the Ambassador Hotel. And just before 12, the sun is trying to breach through. Hopefully gonna be a lovely day. Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, do subscribe, it's possible over here, and check out the video of yesterday right over here.